Welcome to another video, and today we're doing an unboxing video of the Predator. So here is the blaster by itself, and it is not a Nerf blaster, it's from Air Warriors. Right there. And then it's made by Busby Toys. And then so here comes with 4 bullets. 1, 2, 3, 4. Comes with a scope too. It's a sniper rifle, bolt action. So as you see here, it's like for like a headshot or something. Right there, like you see it, like it's aiming for the headshot. Also from the back. Right there. Okay. And then show you how the blaster works. So here you'll pull this back all the way until it clucks. Get a bullet of these bullets, not other bullets. Put it in here. Pull it in the front, and then you see this thing? Pull it down. So this is like the way to pull it back and stuff. So put it front. And then shoot. The bullet got stuck to my camera. Hold on, I just need to remove it. Here it is. So it also has this secret ammo. You can just put it there when you reload. So there. Secret, nobody really knows. Secrets. And then here we put all this stuff together, and this is how you put the scope. See that tactical rail right here? You have to put it from like from the thing that doesn't have like the headshot thingies. Like look, the bigger one has to go in the front, and the small one has to go in the back. So look, and then you put the front one like that, and there, and then pull it back. Pull the bullet. Put all your bullets in the back. It has 4 slots in the back because you have 4 bullets, but you're gonna use one, so you mostly have like 3. But if you have more, then you can make it 5. Actually, put 5. They should have just did that. And then get ready to camp. Or if you don't like this and you're gonna camp, just take out the bullets and put them on the side of you. Make it go a little bit faster. So, yeah. Oh. Okay. So, yeah. Now, let's see how long it shoots. Okay, guys. So, here, this is my room. It looks kind of messy. I'll clean after this video. So yeah, we're gonna shoot how far it looks. It says in the box that it shoots 30 feet. So I'm not sure if we really want to camp with this, or you could just, when I take the scope off, for me, it looks like that gun from Black Ops 1. Call of Duty World at War, that you had to go like that, pull it back, pull the bullet. It was one of the most suckiest guns in the whole entire game, especially when you pack a punch. So yeah. So if you're gonna run in, you go without the scope, they go like boom, boom. It would have been better if they put the slot like right here to the side and they go like boom, like that. So yeah. Leave us the comments. Should I shoot it first without the attachment or with the attachment? Here we go. So yeah, guys, I'm back. Sorry, because my sister opened the door and the camera fell, so I had to pause it. And then I just cleaned my room for a little. So yeah, we're back to shooting. Yeah. I think you guys know where that landed. I'll show you where all the bullets land at the end. Oh, there's this cool one that is called the gun smoke one. So like when you shoot, like a real bullet. Well, not a real bullet. It looked like a real bullet. You shoot it with like some of these bullets. I'm not sure which bullets are. And then when you shoot it, pew, like a real gun, like smoke. So like when you get a cool, what's it called, kill, you could just go like, and bam. So yeah. So X bullet. Almost forgot. Oh no. You know what? I ain't gonna do it like that. Do it like this. You guys didn't know where that landed. Reload it faster. And the problem is that with this thing right here, I feel like it's like it shoots like not shoot like reload. Hold up, guys. My camera's about to die. Sorry, guys, for the pausing. Just because my mom told me she was gonna go pick up my grandma. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna stay. Because sometimes she says if I want to stay or not. Like, I'm doing a YouTube video, so I'd rather stay. So, yeah, here's the other bullet. 4. There's 3 bullets. We made all the bullets. Oh, yeah, so. And what the problem is, if we're gonna go running with like this, don't leave this open because the bullets are gonna fall. I don't know which is better if they stuck more. Final bullet to end this. Boom. So yeah, one bullet went here, the other one here, the other one here, and the other one here. So yeah, guys, this is an episode of unboxing the Predator. So yeah, see you next time. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and leave a comment. Cool gun. See you guys. Bye.